welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll delve into its exterior design, interior features, performance capabilities, and provide our final thoughts. Let's unveil this beauty. Exterior. The 2026 Austin K2 showcases a harmonious blend of classic elegance and contemporary aesthetics. Its aerodynamic silhouette is accentuated by sharp lines and a bold front grille, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The LED headlamps and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add a modern flair to its timeless design. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. Premium materials adorn every surface, from the supple leather seats to the meticulously crafted dashboard. The spacious interior ensures ample legroom for all passengers, making long journeys a pleasure. The centerpiece of the interior is the state-of-the-art infotainment system. Equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, it offers seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The intuitive interface ensures that navigation, media, and vehicle settings are always at your fingertips. Performance. Under the hood, the Austin K2 is powered by a robust engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the K2 offers a responsive and exhilarating driving experience. The advanced suspension system and precise steering ensure that every drive is smooth and controlled, while the fuel efficiency makes it a practical choice for daily commutes and long trips alike. In summary, the 2026 Austin K2 is a testament to automotive excellence, combining striking design, luxurious comfort, and outstanding performance. It's a vehicle that caters to those who demand both style and substance in their driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2026 Austin K2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive content. Until next time, drive safe. This script is based on a fictional model, the 2026 Austin K2, as there is no official information available about such a vehicle.